Hello everyone, my topic is learning weather, situation, and giving direction in Mandarin. So first is Shanxi. So the Shanxi in English is weather. Next is weather situations. Xingshan, Xingshan. The meaning of Xingshan in English is sunny day. Next is Xiaoyu, raining. Yanshan, cloudy day or overcast. Dowoyon, partly cloudy. And Liu is thunderstorm. Next is Woshan, foggy day. Xiasue, snowing or snowing day. Guafeng, windy. Rishan, hot weather. And Lingshan is cold weather. Next is asking question about the weather. So, Jinshan in English is today. So, Jinshan, Shangxi, Xi, Xingshan. So, let's break it down. Jinshan is today, and Shangxi is weather, and Xi is in English is, and Xingshan is sunny day. So, temperature, degrees Celsius. So, degrees Celsius in Mandarin is Shashedu. Temperature is Wendu. Above zero is Lingshang. Degrees Fahrenheit is Washedu. Weather forecast is Tiangxi Yobao. And below zero is Lingsha. Next is, what's the temperature? So, the question is what's the temperature? So we translate it in a Mandarin, which is 7시 2샤오. So let's break it in. 7 is temperature or air temperature. Shi is and 2샤오 is how much or how many. So next is 相喜有宝是什么？相喜有宝是什么？ So let's break it down. 相喜 is weather, and 有宝 is forecast, and 是什么 is what is. So literal meaning is what is the weather forecast. So that's all. Thank you.